Hello dear students, in the previous class we have done one problem of funds flow statement, simple problem without adjustments. One more problem without adjustments, fund flow statement will work out. Remember one thing, always it will be given you always balance sheet, 2 years balance sheets, present year and next year, or previous year, present year, like 2 years balance sheets will be given. Every balance sheet transactions we have to take it only one time. It comes either in the schedule of changes in working capital or fund flow statement, or sometimes in the adjusted profit and loss account. Anywhere, one time only it comes, just like trial balance. In trial balance also what we used to do, we used to prepare only one transaction only one time, either in the trading account, profit and loss account, or balance sheet. In the same way here also, balance sheet transactions comes only one time. Schedule of changes in working capital, or the profit and loss, adjusted profit and loss account, or fund flow statement. This you have to remember. Now today's problem, no adjustment, simple problem we are going to work out. If you understand the basics, adjustments are quite easy, we can go ahead. Now coming to this problem here, assets we have. So what assets are given to us? Plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, these two are assets. It comes in the fund flow statement, assets. And next is stocks, debtors, cash, these three are current assets. So these three are current assets. It comes in the schedule of changes in working capital. Like we have to decide where does it comes, all the assets and liabilities. Once if you decide it, problem preparation is very easy. Now coming to the liability side, share capital, it comes in the fund flow statement. And creditors is the current liability. Profit and loss account, we open adjusted profit and loss account with these balances. Getting it right? So that's all. This is the problem, small problem is given, no adjustments. What we need to do first, schedule of changes in working capital. That already I have prepared. Let me simply explain, because we have done a lot of problems related to the schedule of changes in working capital. You have a good idea. So just for your understanding, I have already prepared it. Now schedule of changes in working capital, what do you write? 2015, 2016, this is particulars. 2015, 16, effect on working capital, if it is increasing or decreasing. These are the columns. Now first what we are taking, asset side, cash, debtor, stock. Cash is 1,10,000 and the next year is 1,70,000. It's increasing. How much it is increasing? 60,000. Increase column we have written. Next, debtors 1,60,000 to 1,50,000. It means it is decreasing 10,000. Next one, stocks is increasing. How much it is increasing? 20,000. So that's all. These are the current assets. Current assets total is here 2015 year 3,55,000. 2016 year 4,25,000. Current assets are over. Now coming to the current liabilities, what do we have? We have only creditors as current liability. Creditors are here 1,70,000. 1,70,000. It's decreasing. Opposite will write always. Decreasing means increasing column we have written 30,000. And after that what we have to do? Working capital. This is current assets are A, we are saying. Total current liabilities are B. A minus B will be always working capital. So working capital A minus B, 3,55,000 minus 1 lakh, it is 2,55,000. 4,25,000 minus 70,000, it is 3,55,000. 2,55,000, 3,55,000. How much it is increasing? 1 lakh. So that we are writing net increase in working capital 1 lakh. Increase means decrease column will write 1 lakh. So in the effect of working capital total, if you add both will be 1,10,000. If both are 1 lakh means schedule of changes in working capital is correct from our side. There is no mistake. Like we can just check it out, schedule of changes in working capital. Once if you prepare schedule of changes in working capital, second step is adjusted profit and loss account. To open the adjusted profit and loss account, we have to see it in the liability side, profit and loss account. It's already given, profit and loss account. Do we have any other transactions to write it in the adjusted profit and loss account? If you see balance sheet, nothing is there. Adjustments also not given. So simply we have opening and closing balances of profit and loss account. This we are going to take it into the adjusted profit and loss account. Now see here, adjusted profit and loss account. What do we have? Opening balance is 1 lakh. So we are writing by balance brought down, 15,000. By balance brought down 15,000 we have written. And closing balance is 30,000. To balance carried down 30,000. Opening balance is by balance brought down 15,000 and closing balance is to balance carried on 30,000. So difference is 15,000. Difference we are getting on the credit side. Credit side means funds from operations. So we got a balancing figure of 15,000 funds from operations. So 2 steps are over. Schedule of changes in working capital is over. Adjusted P&L account is over. Now what we need to do? Fund flow statement. Before going to some fund flow statement, let us note down these 2 transactions. So one is net increase in working capital. Net increase in working capital. How much it is there? 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. And next funds from operations 15,000. Funds from operations 15,000. I have written on the corner because I am going to rub everything. Please pause the video and note down the schedule of changes in working capital and adjusted P&L account. Then we will be working fund flow statement. Am I clear? Just pause the video and watch this and note down this. So after this we will go for fund flow statement. So funds flow statement we are preparing now. Can give the heading funds flow statement. Sources will write here first and amount. Application and amount. So for preparation of fund flow statement, first let us see the asset side. Asset side, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, what is this fund flow statement? Remember, did you remember it? First we are writing sources. Sources, application. Sources means if funds are coming in, if we are getting funds, it's a source. Any amount coming inside, it's a source. If amount is going out, fund is going out, it's application. Simple funda remember. Coming in source, going out application, right? Now plant and machinery. Plant and machinery we are purchasing. 50,000 to 60,000 increasing. Increasing means we are purchasing, that's the reason it's increasing. When you are purchasing, money is coming in or going out. Purchasing, funds are going out. When it is going out, it's a application. So we'll write it here. Purchase of plant and machinery. How much it is? 50,000 to 60,000 is increasing, means purchasing 10,000. 10,000 will write here. Then after that furniture and fixtures, it is also increasing, means this is also purchasing. Whenever we are purchasing, application, because fund is going out. So purchase of furniture and fixtures. How much? 10,000 to 15,000 increasing, means how much we are purchasing? 5,000. It's 5,000. Stocks, debtors, cash, already we have taken into the adjusted profit and loss account. So don't touch it once again. Now coming to the liability side, share capital. Share capital is here 3 lakh to 4 lakh increasing. Increasing means issuing shares. Whenever we are issuing shares, we get funds. When we get the funds, it's a source. So what do we say? Issue of share capital. It's a source because we are issuing. Issuing means funds are raising. Raising means it's a source. So issue of share capital. Issue of share capital. How much we are issuing? 1 lakh. Difference we have to take always. 1 lakh we are issuing. Creditors already we have taken into schedule of changes in working capital. Profit and loss account also taken into the adjusted profit and loss account as opening and closing balances. Now what to take? These two things. Net increase in working capital. Net increase in working capital always comes here. Application. Net increase in working capital. How much is there? 1 lakh. Already as per the schedule of changes in working capital, 1 lakh. And another thing is funds from operations. Adjusted P&L account, we got funds from operations. So this is 15,000. Funds from operations, always it's a source. We are getting funds, so it's a source. So funds from operations. How much? 15,000. That's all. Only we have these are the transactions. If we total up, we are getting 1,15,000 on the sources side. Application side also 1,15,000. It means problem is correct. Are you getting it? So simple thing you have to remember is balance sheet have an understanding. I'm giving you a recap. Balance sheet, just understand each and every asset and liability, decide what it is. Is it a current asset? Then schedule of changes in working capital. If it is a fixed asset, it comes in the fund flow statement. Fixed asset is increasing means purchasing. Purchasing means it's a application. If fixed asset is decreasing, decreasing means selling. Selling means it will be a source. In the same way, liabilities side, we have to see whenever we find current liabilities, it directly goes to the schedule of changes in working capital, and also search for the profit and loss account, opening balance, closing balance. If it is not given, we'll take retained earnings as opening and closing balances of adjusted profit and loss account. If retained earnings are not given, then third one is reserves. Reserves, we take it as opening and closing balances. Like we have to identify opening and closing balances of the adjusted profit and loss account. That is already given. Current liability also we have taken. Now share capital. Share capital is increasing means issue. Issue means it's a source. So we have written on the source side, issue of share capital. Issue of share capital, issue of equity shares, issue of preference shares. Like anything, if it is increasing means it's a issue, means we are getting the funds. If it is decreasing, then it's a redemption, means we are paying it back. It will become application. Like if you write all the transactions, fund flow statement should tally. It means the problem is correct. Simple. So hope the problem you are getting, fund flow statements, 2 problems we have done so far. And tomorrow 3rd problem we are going to do. It will be adjustments, with adjustments. Simple problem if you have an understanding. Small adjustments, simply you have to get good knowledge where to adjust, how much to write in which account. That's it, simple, you can get it easily. So stay connected with me. In the description box, different subjects, different topics are there. Please watch it, enhance your skills and help someone who was struggling to learn the subject. Thank you very much for all your feedback. Stay blessed. Good luck.